How to change the caller ID on an iPhone. To change the caller ID on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to access all the primary settings of your iPhone. Then, you need to scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Here, you will be able to manage all your default apps on iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Phone application. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on the Share Name and Photo option. Then, make sure the name and photo sharing option is toggled on. Now, tap on Name. Here, you will be able to make changes to your name. Then, on Done. Then, tap on the Share Automatically option. A menu will appear. Select your preference from here. After that, tap on Edit. Then, tap on the Customize button. A menu will appear on your screen. Hit backspace after making all the necessary changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily make changes to your caller ID on your iPhone.